Think marketing is complicated and too expensive for your small business? What if I told you that with a few core principles you can attract more paying customers, no big ad budget required? Hi, I am Roberto Garcia the Wise. Over the last decade, I've helped hundreds of entrepreneurs just like you, and I have watched small businesses growing between 0 to over 1 million in revenue by nailing the basics of marketing without wasting thousands on guesswork. If you are a business owner making anywhere from 0 to $1 million a year and you are ready to invest in simple, proven marketing strategies, stick around. This short video will give you a straightforward blueprint to start getting more leads, paying customers, and real results. So, what exactly is marketing? At its core, marketing is the process of connecting the right message about your product or service to the right people at the right time and in the right place. For many small business owners, marketing feels like a big mystery, like something only billion-dollar companies do, but that's not true. Effective marketing is simply understanding who your ideal customers are, what problems they need solved, and then consistently sharing that solution in places they hang out, online and offline. Why does marketing matter? Without marketing, even the best product or service sits on a shelf. No visibility, no leads, no sales. But when you apply marketing fundamentals, you build a predictable way to attract prospects, nurture relationships, and convert them into loyal customers day after day. Now we will cover 3 core pillars of marketing that every small business owner must understand. Let's dive into each one step by step. First, you must know exactly who you are speaking to. Too many entrepreneurs try to sell to everyone and end up selling to nobody. Instead, pick a specific niche. For example, female fitness coaches in Texas making between $50,000 and $200,000 a year, or local restaurant owners in Florida who need catering clients. The more specific you are, the easier it will be to tailor your message and get noticed by these specific people. Here is what you need to do to achieve this. Create an ideal customer profile. List demographics like age, gender, or location. What are that person's psychographics like values, challenges, or goals that profile of a person has? And what are the buying habits like online versus in-person or price sensitivity? Next, research their pain points. Identify the top 3 or 5 problems they face every day. For instance, struggling to fill their coaching calendar or have little time to study something new. And finally, find where they spend time. Are they on Instagram, Facebook groups, LinkedIn, YouTube? Are they in local business associations? Once you know where they hang out, you can reach them more effectively, positioning and promoting your business there. This is how you know what your target audience is accurately. I guide you step by step on how to know all this for your specific business by having your personalized, customer-oriented business strategy in the link in the description. It will give you the business strategy you need to effectively attract and convert more customers in a practical way, just as you were hoping. Once you know who you are speaking to, you need a value proposition that instantly tells your ideal customer, this is for you and here is why you should care about. A strong value proposition has 3 elements. First, a headline. It is a one-sentence statement of the core benefit of the product for the client. For example, get 10 new clients in 30 days without spending $1,000 on ads. Second, your value proposition needs a subheadline. It is one sentence that explains what you do with that product for the client. For example, we help local yoga studios fill classes using free proven marketing strategies. And finally, your value proposition needs to communicate Key differentiators. These are 3 bullet points that highlight why your business and your product are unique. For example, no ad spend required, results in 30 days or you get your money back, and personalized one-on-one coaching. When someone lands on your website, your Facebook ad, in your physical store, or in your email subject line, they need to instantly know this solution was made for my problem. Without that instant clarity, you lose them in a split second. Finally, the third pillar of business marketing consists of choose 2 or 3 channels that give you maximum reach with minimal budget. For small businesses like yours, I would recommend starting with doing content marketing in your blog or in your business social media. To do this, pick one social platform where your business ideal audience is most active. Then create at least 2 to 3 pieces of valuable content per week, a short how-to post, a case study, or a quick tip video, and then reuse that content into an email to send it to your email list to keep your brand top of mind. In addition to creating organic content, look for local networking and strategic partnerships. To make this happen, attend 2 local networking events or business meetings per month, and partner with complementary business owners to cross-promote each other's audience. For example, a photographer and an event planner could work well together. Finally, one of the biggest high-impact marketing channels for businesses is email marketing. The way to use it for your business marketing is: build an email list from day one. Offer a free resource like a 5-step marketing checklist for small businesses to get leads on your list. And then send 1 weekly email to your list. Send them a mix of helpful tips, case studies, and a soft pitch for your service or product. Do not feel overwhelmed for not doing perfectly all of this from the beginning. You do not need to be everywhere at once. Master one platform, see what works, and then expand it. The goal is to be consistent, show up every week, deliver value regularly, and build trust. Have you noticed what the 3 pillars of business marketing 101 are? First, know your target audience, then craft a clear value proposition, and finally, choose high-impact marketing channels to promote your customer-oriented business message. Now it is your turn. Click on the link in the description to get your personalized strategy, where you will have all the details in a theoretical, practical way of all these that we have talked about in this video, but expanded, professionalized, and personalized for your own specific business, your ideal customer profile, your perfect value proposition, and build your own effective content calendar to promote your business effectively and capture more and better clients. After you sign up, remember to subscribe to the channel and tap the bell so you do not miss future videos like the following on scaling your business. Remember, marketing doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Master these basics and you will be amazed at how quickly your customer base and your bottom line grows.